Hi there, my name is Wes. I am a dungeon master. I also write in my spare time. This is my dog Prismo. He is a dog. He sleeps in his spare time. And this is my YouTube channel where I look at the traditional and non-traditional methods of writing through the lens of tabletop gaming. I think that there are a ton of great resources out there for making dungeons, for how to create a character, how to learn the rules of the game, right? How to make monsters. But that's not really my goal here. My goal here is, with this channel, to learn how to be a better writer. To learn how to be a better writer for my tabletop games that I play with my friends. And to help other dungeon masters learn how to be better writers for their tabletop games with their friends. And just make campaigns that are more engaging, more dramatic, and more fun, right? And I wouldn't say that you need to be some great writer, that you need to go through all the story buzzwords of plot, narrative, and exposition, whatever else you can think of, right? All the buzzwords we use in writing. I don't think you need to really get into those in order to have fun with your friends. I don't. I think that you could ignore everything I have to say on this channel and still have a tremendous time. But those are the nerdy writing things that I find fun. And if you are a dungeon master who enjoys creating worlds, enjoys writing stories in those worlds, creating conflicts in those worlds, right? Then those are probably going to be the nerdy writing things that you find fun. And so there's definitely going to be a place for you on this channel. So, welcome.